Hello friends. So today we're going to do a ceramic coating on a piece of a car. The reason why is because I did some wheels with this DIY detailed 3-year graphene coating, but there's still quite a bit left. So my dad and I were talking about it, and he says, you know what, pull that bumper cover down and throw it on there. That car is going to be coated eventually, but with this not being on the car yet, might as well get it done while it's off the car. So we're going to rinseless wash this, and then we're going to put some ceramic coat on it. Gives me more practice. Let's get started with the day. Now this bumper cover may look familiar because I sanded it down and it got repainted. Okay? But it's been sitting, so we need to get all the dust off of it, get it cleaned up, and then we are going to ceramic coat it. It's been buffed and all of that, so it's in good shape. It just needs a coating. So, did you know I have a second channel? There's been a lot of people who have adopted me as their grandma. And while I love it, one thing that I cannot do is toss out some of my views or my opinions unless I'm on my live videos. Because on my live videos, it's just totally random. And I don't stick to the detailing, and the reason why is because sometimes it creates burnout when you focus on one thing too much. So I thought what I would do after some talk and requests and all of that, I would make a second channel. So here is my second channel. Everybody is welcome to be a part of it. I'm not sure how much I will put into it, but if there's something that I have an opinion about or something that is totally random and totally way off from detailing, that's where I'll put it. And there'll also be some fun stuff. I share going to Christmas lights with my grandkids and things like that. But if you want to be a part of it, there you go. It is right there, Grandma's Random Channel. So it'll just kind of be a little spin-off from this channel. Back to the video. Okay. This is going to be interesting. I do not have an applicator here at the shop. So I'm going to use one of my old bonnets that doesn't fit the polisher, the palm polisher that I have now. So we're going to just use that. But I got gloves on, so we should be good. Now, I've already rinseless washed this. It's in good shape. We got it cleaned up. As you can see, it's shining back at you. Okay. It's been painted. It's got one little spot that's got an issue, but he's not going to go through the trouble to fix it, he said. So we're just going to go ahead, get started, apply it, and then wipe it off. I'm excited. I want to see if it does anything decent with it. This is the graphene, so it's got a little bit more gloss to it. This is going a long way. You can see where the coating is. That's crazy. But we're going to work in sections. That's what I was taught, so that's what I'm doing, is working in sections. That's looking really good. Really good. Look at that, so shiny. DIY detail, you gotta give them credit. Their stuff goes a long way. Just keep that in mind. Pretty spiffy. Let me bring you in closer. Look at that. Wow. So, there you go, guys. I still have a ceramic coat left. You know, it is what it is. Well, I think what I'll do, instead of trying to get rid of it, because obviously that's not going to work right now, what I'll do is put it on the shelf. I'll put today's date on it, and we'll leave it there for however long, unless something comes along, and then I'll throw it on to something or another. But anyway, now we're going to let this sit, and my dad will deal with it when him and the BMW club come back to work on the car. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, peace.